Hello, in this video I'm going to show the home screen tricks on INFINIX Hot 60i. Alright, so let's begin. To launch the customization menu, all we need to do is to hold on an empty space on our home screen. From here, we can quickly change the wallpaper, add some widgets, change the icon style, and open up the whole home screen settings. Let's begin with the wallpaper. In here, of course, you can select the wallpaper from the suggested ones. In here you can see the list. You can pick the wallpaper from your gallery, download some wallpapers from the store. As you can see, the list is pretty long, and some of those wallpapers are really cool. And we also have the AI wallpapers. Click on agree and you can generate your own AI wallpaper. From that place, let's get back. Now let's go with the widgets. Widgets are one of my favorite things. I'm adding widget on every phone. In here down below we can see the list of apps of which we can add some widgets. For example, we have the clock. When it comes to the clock, we have a lot of styles available. Let's add this one, for example. In here you can see its size 2:2, and then you click on add to home screen. As you can see, it appears. Now we can place it anywhere that we want, but remember that you need to have enough space to add it. Okay, it appears. I'm wondering about one thing. Is it possible? But I think not. But I'll try. Let's add a new widget. Okay. Unfortunately, it's not available. I was wondering, do we have a stack of the widgets? Is it possible to create? But unfortunately, it's not. Okay, from here, let's go straight into the icon style. In here, we can change the color. You can see how everything is changing. I'll stick to the default mode. We can enable to follow the system colors. We can change the shape of our icons. We have 4 possible modes. We can change the corner radius. So now they are like a circle. We can change the icon size. If you want to apply the changes, simply hit on apply. It is really easy. Alright. And the last thing are the settings right in here. We can change our home screen mode. Currently it's A to Z mode, which basically is an app drawer. It works in that way that when you're on your home screen and when you slide to the upside, the app drawer with all of your apps appears. When this mode is disabled, I mean when we have the classic mode, when we slide to the upside, nothing happens, and basically all of our apps are stacked on our screens. We don't have that drawer. So simply select the mode that you want to use. Down below we have the home screen grid. We have 4:6 or 5:6. When you select 5:6, you can basically place more icons in one row, but simply they are a little bit smaller. I'll stick to 4:6. We have the folder scrolling. When it's on, you can open a folder and swipe left or right to navigate among different folders. And when it comes to creating the folders itself, all you need to do to create a folder is to grab one icon, place it on another, release, and the folder appears. We can also resize the folders. Hold. You can change even the background color. And you can click on this band to simply delete the folder. Really easy thing. And you can change the name in that place. Really easy. Also, as you open up the one folder, you can quickly switch between other folders because they are we have a list above, and we can quickly switch between them. back into the settings. You can also lock your layout. So now when the layout is locked, we cannot move anything. I mean, when I'm trying to slide, you can see information that the layout is locked and we cannot move anything on the screen. Sometimes it's good to enable, because let's say that we have created our perfect layout, our perfect home screen, and we don't want to change anything by a misclick, for example. And that's the moment when you can lock the layout. Down below we have the app auto arrangement, autofill the empty spaces after removal of home screen elements. So let's say that now I would uninstall, for example, File Manager. Of course, it's impossible, but if I would uninstall it, normally a gap in here would appear. When the auto arrangement is enabled, the Xtheme app will fulfill that gap, and simply it will jump into the space of the File Manager, and we won't have that empty space. So it's a pretty cool thing, worth enabling. I'll do it. I have shown you the icon style. We have also page turn effect. In here we have all modes. You can see how each mode works. So for example, let's select the cube. To save it, hit on apply, and now, oh, actually it wasn't, it didn't change, but I have selected apply. Okay, now it works. So now we have the cube effect when we are sliding left or right. Okay, we can change the text color, white, black, or custom. We can enable to not to show the text. So now we have a like clean home screen without any text. We can enable the wallpaper dims in dark theme. We have the zero screen, show you the content and services you are interested in. You can enable that. Above we have frequently used apps, provide personalized app recommendation in AI search and A to Z. I can enable that. And we have slide down on launcher, then the search app will appear, or you can change it into a notification and control center. Everything is up to you. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.